So hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can start a plantain chip business, ranging from sourcing of plantain, the processing, packaging, down into the marketing. Just make sure you stick to the end of this video in order for you to have a proper information on how you can get started. So like I said, I'm going to be starting from sourcing of plantain. And if you want to source your plantain, make sure you source it directly from the local market. Yes, make sure you source it directly from the local market. And if you want to buy it, make sure you price it from something like three people before you buy from one out of them. So just for you to have an idea of the price, maybe they are selling the same price, or the first person that you go to make want to add price for you, so you have to confirm the price from someone like maybe like three people before you decide to buy from one out of them. So and after sourcing your plantain, you get home, the next thing just to wash your plantain. You have to wash your plantain before peeling, just for you to remove the dirty and the likes. And after you wash it, then you need a sharp knife to peel your plantain. Then and after you've peeled, the next thing for you will be slicing. And in slicing it, you can use electrical slicer or the manual slicer. It's based on how you want to scale your business. If you can afford electrical slicer, that would be a nice idea for you. And if you can't afford electrical slicer, you can start small and grow big with your manual slicer. So after you've done that, the next thing for you will be blanching. And in blanching, you just put the water down and pour your already sliced plantain, pour it into the bowl of water, and then roll it, just for you to reduce the plantain starch. You can salt the water that you want to use for blanching, or you may decide not to salt the water. And if you salt the water for blanching, that means you will not add salt to it if you want to fry. And if it doesn't salt the blanching water, then you will need to add salt to it if you want to fry it. So after you've done that, the next thing for you is just to the water heat by using sieve. You can just use sieve to the water heat. And after you the water heat, then you have to fry. And in your fry, you can use deep fryer or conventional fryer. So the thing depends on how you want to scale your business. If you can afford deep fryer, fine. And if you cannot afford deep fryer, use the conventional fryer to fry it. And after you fry, you can just transfer it into flat stainless steel. And if you transfer it, you will just allow it to cool. Then you will move into the packaging. And in your packaging is going to be on your target audience. And that your packaging, it can be 50 naira, 100 naira, or more than that. It's just based on people that you want to sell to. People that you want to sell to is going on how you are going to package your products. Assuming you are supplying supermarket now, you need to use something like plastic to package your products. And if you are supplying all those people that sells provisions along the road, you can just use something like nylon to package your products. And while packaging your product, you have to go for a nice packaging material. And that your packaging material is must not be too expensive to avoid the price of your product. Just make sure that your packaging material is not that really cost. Just make sure it is not that really cost. It have to be what, it must not be too expensive. Just go for a nice packaging with low price, not to affect the market. If your product price is too cost, people can be running away. So you have to go for a nice packaging with low price. And after you've packaged your product well, so you can go for manual sewing machine to be sewing your items, or use a stapler to be stapling the mouth of your products. So that is just it. And in your marketing, you have to go out to meet people. If you don't go out, people will not know what you are selling. So you have to go out to meet people, introduce yourself to people, introduce what you are selling to people. You can go to supermarket that you sell this thing, you want to be supplying them. You can go to all those people that sell provisions along the road, talk to them that you want to be supplying them, or look for people that hawk and be said to people that hawk in no sales price, so they'll be coming to you to get it. So that is just it about the marketing. And if you can go into this business, that will be a nice idea, because the major ingredient that it takes is only the raw plantain and also vegetable oil. Apart from that, all the remaining equipment is something you can get from your kitchen. So this is going to be the end of this video, and if you have been getting value so far, please just make sure you give this video a thumbs up and also do well to subscribe to this channel. So thank you so much for watching.